Welcome to Tech with Damir. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a new feature on ChatGPT. So if you will click on the audio button right here on ChatGPT, what's going to happen is going to open this audio button, and then the new camera buttons will come on the left side. This was not there a few days back, but now we have it. So let's try this out. So I'm going to click on the camera, and the camera is on. And now you can see I can start using. Hey ChatGPT, what is the written on this box here?
It says Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which means in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Okay, great, awesome. And here's a cup sitting here, and I don't know where it came from. Can you tell me where it came from?
I'm not sure where that specific cup came from, but it looks like it has a Coca-Cola logo on it. Maybe it's a souvenir cup from an event or theme park.
Okay, well, where is that theme park?
The Coca-Cola logo is associated with the World of Coca-Cola, a popular museum and attraction in Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it came from there. Now, I'm going to ask you, I have this cactus sitting there, and I don't know how often I should water this. Can you take a look on, let's see, and tell me how often I should water this cactus?
Sure. The tag suggests watering it once every 2 weeks. Cacti generally don't need much water, so once every 2 weeks should be fine.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm gonna get some more help from you. I have few things. I'm gonna show you my in my fridge and see. Let me ask you a few of the items here. So if you see right there, there's this juice sitting there, and I would like to get the expiry date on that box, and it's very hard to read that. Let me see right there, this one. So if you see this one, I can't really tell when is the expiry date. I can't read, my eyesight is not that great.
I can't read the expiration date either. It might be too small or not clearly visible from here. You could try bringing the carton closer or adjusting the lighting so the date is easier to read.
Okay, try now.
I'm still unable to see the expiration date. You might want to check it closely in person, or ask someone else to help if it's difficult to read.
Do you see anything now?
Yes, I can see it now. The expiration date appears to be May 5th, 2025.
Okay, that sounds right. Hey, here's another gallon of milk. Can you tell me the expiration date on that one?
The expiration date is usually printed on the top or near the handle of the milk gallon. You might have to move it closer to the camera or adjust the angle so we can see it more clearly.
Okay, how about now?
I can see it now. The expiration date looks like April 17th, 2024.
Okay, that sounds good. What do you think if I will drink 2 cups of this milk? How much protein I will get out of this?
According to the label, 1 cup of milk has 8 grams of protein. So if you drink 2 cups, you'll get 16 grams of protein.
Okay, that sounds right. Hey, here is another juice sitting there, and this is coming from maybe, I don't know. Do you think so? This restaurant is close by? I live in Harrisburg here.
I can't tell exactly where the restaurant is just from the cup. It might be a local place or a chain restaurant. You could check online for Talkin' Tacos in Harrisburg to see if there's one nearby.
Can you check that for me?
I'm sorry, I can't browse the internet.
Okay,
you might want to look at.
That's fine.
So if you have it, I'm here to help. Just let me know if you need anything else.
So fine, that's fine. How many gallons of milk you see in this fridge right now?
I see 2 gallons of milk in your fridge. One is in the front and another behind it.
Maybe not. Can you try again?
It looks like you actually have 3 gallons of milk in your fridge.
Yeah, that's right.
I see
And how about in this place?
On that shelf, I see 1 gallon of milk on the right side.
Yeah, so that sounds good. So what is let me go further. I got this stuff from Turkey, and I don't know what exactly is that stuff. So I'm gonna ask you. This is the one. I got, and I've been eating, but I don't know what exactly it is. Can you tell me what it is?
It looks like roasted chickpeas, or some kind of roasted nuts. They're a common snack and can be seasoned in different ways.
No, I'm going to ask you, there are two different types here. Can you make a difference? So if you see, these ones, I know the small ones are chickpeas. What are the other ones?
The larger ones look like roasted corn nuts. They're often crunchier and have a slightly different texture and flavor from
No,
chickpeas.
I don't think so. They are corn. They are different. But I got this from Turkey. They are nuts. They are look like chickpeas. But can you try something different and see if you can make a difference?
They might actually be roasted hazelnuts.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, you're right. So that's good. Thank you. Now, guess what? I have this some medicine sitting here, and I need to see if you can tell me what exactly it is. So if you see right there, there are some medicine here. So can you see what type of medicine I have right here?
Sure. I see a bottle of vitamin D3, a Naturello 1 daily multivitamin, and a red bottle of Tylenol 8HR arthritis pain medicine.
Okay, so how many vitamin D3 tablets I need every day? Is this good for me, 1 or 2, according to this bottle?
Typically, 1 vitamin D3 tablet per day is recommended. But you should follow the instructions on the bottle or consult with your doctor to find out what's best for you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, I'm going to ask you a few more things. I need some help. Here is my cat sitting, and I don't know what exactly is this cat breed. So I'm going to ask you if you can help me and let me know what is this breed of this cat. So can you tell me? Hey, Pepper.
It's hard to identify a cat's breed just by looking. Your cat might be a domestic shorthair, which is a common and adorable mixed breed. Pepper is a lovely cat.
How old could be Pepper?
It's hard to tell a cat's age just by looking at them. If you're curious, you could check with a vet for a more accurate estimate.
Yeah, I don't have it. Just to give me some estimate if you can.
Most cats reach adulthood by around 1 year old. Based on Pepper's size, they might be an adult cat, but it's not exact.
Okay, yeah.
You're welcome.
And how about this one? These are different plants. I have it here. Can you tell me what is this, the name of this plant?
That looks like an anthurium. It's a popular houseplant known for its shiny heart-shaped leaves and bright red or pink flowers.
How about this one right next to that plant?
That plant looks like a philodendron. It's known for its heart-shaped leaves and easy care. It's a popular houseplant.
And there is some stuff sitting here. I don't know what they use for. So can you guess what it is this stuff used for? This rug?
That looks like a prayer rug. It's often used for daily prayers in various religious practices.
Yeah, it looks right. Okay, so here is the water I see. And my eyesight is not that great. Can you tell me if it is full or half, or how exactly this water bottle is, like how much water it does have?
The water bottle looks about half full. You might have around 8 ounces or so left in it.
And how many ounces of per day a human need?
It's generally recommended to drink about 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, which is about 64 ounces. This can vary based on factors like age, activity level, and climate.
Nice. Okay, I thank you very much for giving me all that information.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
So guys, you see that there are so much can be done by using this ChatGPT camera feature. And I just gave you a few examples and just try to walk you around here and there. But there is so much real information you can do, especially if you're traveling. You can turn on the camera and it can help you with the signs. It can help you with a lot of other information. So I will see that there could be other scenarios, that I will try and see how it can help me. And please go ahead and write in the comments and give a try and see, share some scenarios that it might have helped you as well, or it will. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.